Welcome back to my channel. My name is Niki Peacock, President Niki on Instagram and Snapchat, Nick Knox TikTok on TikTok, and NikiPeacock.com on my website, linked down below, and in my Instagram and on my TikTok. I got a few clothes from this company called Soulmia, and I just wanted to do like a quick mini try on. I didn't get all, so it's not sponsored, by the way. They just sent me some clothes and we're like looking for like a review, so I'm gonna give like my honest opinions. I usually order from Shein, like Shein is my favorite, you know, as I do. There was a lot of Shein clothing in my bag, which was, I found really odd because it was supposed to be from the company, Soulmia. Oh my god, my hands are dark. So that was weird. I don't know if they're like saying it's from their company and then getting it from Shein and then just like cost, like doing like an upgrade in cost, which is kind of sketch. I don't know. I emailed them about it. They haven't gotten back to me yet, so maybe we'll resolve it and I'll do an update, so don't worry about that. And yeah, I also like ordered some specific things and didn't get the right ones, so I don't know how that worked out because I got this cute little jacket, right? And I got pants to match it, and then I never got the pants. Now I can't do the outfit I wanted to, and that makes me really sad. So yeah. Anyways, I got this really cute bag. This one was correct. It's a little heart, but like you can't really tell. But it's so soft, and there's these cute little puff balls on them. I put this on so it looked like, oh, you can actually like kind of see it's a heart if I like pull it like that. Let me move the puffy ones. Oh, look how cute this is. This I'll wear. I like this one a lot. Cute, cute. I also got the sweater. I got this big fluffy jacket. I'm gonna put it on for you guys. It's a size large, my goodness. It's like a, how do I even call it? It's like so soft. It's like a blanket. There you go. Oh, this is cute. I'll start wearing this one. I really like this one. This one's cute. I got this one, which you guys all know is like absolutely my style. Super cute. Love this. Love it. Beautiful. I got this one. Beautiful. Periwinkle style. I got this cute dress. I'm gonna film a few reels in it because I just really like this dress. It's super cute. Absolutely adorable. Whoosh. Look at this cow backpack. She's so cute. Oh my god. I put the straps on myself. I don't know if that's how they're supposed to be put on, but I put them on that way. And it has two little pockets in here. Front pocket, big pocket. Oh, there's a third pocket in there. That's cute. I don't know where I'm gonna take this, but I'm gonna take it somewhere. So it's really fun. I got this Christmas sweater, even though Christmas is over. Might give it as a gift. Who knows? Beautiful, fabulous, recycled. All right, we keep going. I got this cute little brown dress. Love that for me. And then I have this shirt, which I was super excited for. So it's like a piece together kind of outfit. Like, let me show you. Like that. Should I try it on? Let's try it on. I'll try it on for you. All right, here it is on me. It's super cute. I actually really like this one. This one I'll definitely wear. Whew. It's hot. Cute. All right, continuing on. So I think where the mess up occurred is like, instead of the pants, I got this sweater, which is Santa. I definitely did not order this one, but that's okay. Santa Claus has this cute little fluffy hat on him. Very cute. Oh my, look at the inside. Very fluffy. Oh, interesting. Anyways, yeah, I still have my Christmas tree up. It'll be up forever. I don't know how many times I have to tell everyone that. All right, then I got this cute set. It's like a top hoodie, and then bottom one. Super cute. This is my favorite part I got. This is like my little mini purse. Look how cute she is. I love her. She smells interesting. She has a little lock on her. Eee. And then we can attach the strings while we're here, you know, might as well. All right. I'm so smart. How's your day going? It's been an interesting week, might I add. I wish I was smart. I just like looked at myself while I was doing that. It looked really funny. How does this work? Like this? There's just 10 minutes of Niki being confused on how purses work. Perhaps. It works, you know, what I'm doing is working, so something must be going right, you know? I like the detailing, look. Let's focus on this and not on me. All the YouTubers do this, I don't know what it does, but it's not focusing. Anyways, cute. All right, second one. Bum, 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 bum. I have One Direction in my head, like, all week. I was like, what is that sound? Jafar, bless you. He likes to make a sneak peek in my videos, and that's why you should subscribe, so you can see Jafar every single week. Little Hiram moment. Okay, I don't think that was right. I don't think that was right. What are we gonna do? Grr. Are we doing New Year's resolutions this year? I didn't really do any except for like, just to feel better, you know? Like, have more fun, be happier. I wish knowing how to do purses would be a great one for me. Look at my hair. She's so messy. Bum, 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 bum. I need someone to tell me how to do this purse. Please. Don't judge my singing. Whatever, I give up. Anyways, I don't know how to do it. There's no instructions. I don't know how. I've given up. Anyways, so otherwise, great purse. Love the purse. Definitely carrying hairbrushes in it because I have like 14. I only use wet brushes because they're my favorite. And not that I'm sponsored by them or anything. I just really like the feeling of wet brushes. They're like super nice and they're like really good for thin hair, which I have. Yeah, I don't know. Thank you for your purchase. It's a great honor to serve for lovely you, and your satisfaction is what we strive for. We love that. I got my candles in from Candles Day from Bath & Body Works. So excited. We're going to do a candle review later. Wow, that was just low battery. So yeah, very excited for that. I live for candles. Big fan. All right. Sorry for like being weird in this video. That's my apologies. Socks. I'm very excited. We're about to review these socks because this is the last item I have and we have to review it. I don't have to review it, but I would like to know how the socks are. Oh, okay. There's 2 of each pair, which is dope. A great bargain, might I add. Green. Oh, they have like different sayings on them. Green. Environmental health. Super cute. Look at these little... What are these? Sunflowers? No. Daisies. They're daisies. They're super cute. I like this green color. Jafar is going at it over there. He'd be rolling. They see me rolling. They hating. These are cute. I like this color. and black. Very cute, very fun, very fresh. Beautiful. And last but not least, these cuties. Beautiful. All right. Thank you so much for watching this cute little unboxing and mini try-on haul. I love you guys, and I appreciate you being part of the cabinet because I am President Niki, and now you're a part of it, so there's no choice. Be sure to like and subscribe, and if you screenshot your comment of this video and DM it to me, I'll try to follow you back and answer you in like the first 24 hours of this video will be posting. I'm going to be posting a lot more like vlog styles and other style of content, so please be sure to put on the notification bell. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and I love you guys.